Number 1. Press Ctrl plus Escape or Windows key on your keyboard to access Start menu. Number 2. Press Windows key plus Print Screen to take screenshot. Number 3. Press Ctrl plus C or Ctrl plus Insert to copy text or files. Number 4. Press Ctrl plus V or Shift plus Insert to paste text or files. Number 5. Press Windows key plus pause break to show system information. Number 6. Press Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Number 7. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open Task Manager. Number 8. Press F2 to rename a selected file. Number 9. Press Ctrl plus Home to move to top of the screen. To move to bottom of the screen, press Ctrl plus N. Number 10. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings.